So guys, as you can see, this is our relay module. You can see it also has an LED to show the triggering is taking place. And then this is our bulb. The delay we gave is 1 second. So after every 1 second, it's blinking the 220 volt AC bulb. It's a 220 volt AC bulb. We are just doing the triggering here, while rest of the thing is done as usual. Hello guys, welcome to learning microcontrollers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can interface a PIC16F877A microcontroller with a sunfounder single channel 5 volt operated relay module. So let's get started. So guys, this is the PIC16F877A microcontroller having 40 pins. It's a DIP version, and this is the relay module I'm talking about. You can see that it has a 5 volt operated 5 pin relay installed on it. I have another video in which I have told you to use it without the module, but this time I am going to show you how you can use this module because it's easily available in the market. As you can see, we have 3 pins here and we have 3 terminals here. These are for the connection with the PIC and these are for your higher loads. And these load, this module support is maximum 250 volt AC 10 amperes, 30 volt DC 10 amperes. So it's a very powerful relay, I will say. So guys, let me demonstrate this to you using a 220 volt AC energy saver. We will blink it using our programming. So let me show you how to connect it with the PIC first. So as you can see, it is also mentioned on the board as well. Here you have 3 pins. The top one, if you hold it like this, is a ground. Then we have VCC. Then we have the signal pin. The signal pin is either 1 or 0. So if you send a 0, then normally close will be triggered. This is the normal close. And you can see that this is the normally open terminal. So if you send a 1, this will be triggered. And if you send a 0, this will be triggered. So you can trigger it by both, either sending a 1 or 0. So guys, the next thing is you will connect the ground pin with the ground of the PIC like this. VCC with the VCC of the PIC. This module is operated by using 5 volt and the relay also gets triggered by 5 volt. So now the signal pin, you can connect it to any available digital input output pin. I'm going to use a pin number D2, that is pin number 21 of the PIC. In this way, our module is connected. Now we should connect any load. So I will connect a 220 volt AC bulb for the demonstration purpose. For that, let me first label these terminals for you. If you hold it like this, the top one is the normally closed, then we have common, then we have normally open. So that's why I told you when you will send a 0 through this pin, this will be triggered. Whatever the load is here will turn off. And once you send a 1, then this will be triggered. So that's just like a normally closed and open terminals in any relay you get. So guys, let me connect it. So this is our wall socket having 220 volt AC. And guys, this is the bulb we have here. You can use any holder, whichever holder you use, you will only have 2 wires. So I label the wall terminal as line and neutral. Doesn't matter, you can shuffle these two. Doesn't matter. If you don't know which is a phase and which is a neutral, it doesn't matter. Still, you can use any wire wherever you want. So guys, and now for the bulb, there are 2 terminals, phase and neutral, like always. So let's connect it. You will connect the neutral of your wall socket directly with the neutral of the bulb like this. Then guys, you will connect the phase of your wall socket with the common pin of your common terminal of your relay. Then guys, you will connect the normally open with the bulb like this. Now whenever in this configuration, if we give a 1, this relay will be triggered. And when we give a 0, then it will not be triggered because we have connected it to the normally open now. So whenever the 1 will be given, this pin will move here and the bulb will turn on in this configuration. So guys, in this way our connections are completed. Let me introduce you to the hardware before we move on to the programming. So this is the hardware here. As you can see, this is the module. This is the bulb here. I just place it sideways, and this is a PIC16F877A microcontroller. And the wall socket is there. These wires are coming from the wall as shown in the presentation. So guys, let's do the programming now. So this is the micro C for PIC. Let me zoom in for you so you can see better. So guys, this is the micro C for PIC version 7.2.0. You can use the latest version as well. Latest is always the better. Click on new project wizard pops up. Click on next, write the name of the project, relay module tutorial by learning microcontrollers, like this. This is the PIC16F877A, the microcontroller I'm going to use. Select the path where you want to create the hex files, and whatever the crystal you are using, I am using 20 megahertz, so I give it 20. Click on next, finish. Now guys, save your work before you do anything else, press Ctrl S, the work is saved. Now the next thing is, first of all, we will initialize the signal pin. We only have a signal pin here which is connected to the relay. So trace D dot F2 equals to 0. Now in case of Arduino, this command is like pin mode output or input. Here we use a trace register. 0 means it's an output, 1 means it's an input. So now give the initial state. Initially our bulb is connected to the normally open pin, so initially it must be 0. If it was at the normally closed pin, then it must be 1. So when we give a 0, it turns on. So in our case, if it is connected to the normally open, we have to give initial state 0. So initially it must be off. Delay, give some initialization delay, 20 will do fine, that's all. So this is all we have here, just a relay module which will trigger the bulb. So let's get to our forever loop, while 1 starting here, ending here. Inside it we simply blink the bulb, write this, turn on the bulb, and then give some delay. Just copy this. Okay, how much delay we want? I give 1 second delay. Okay, for 1 second the bulb will turn on, and after that it will turn off for another 1 second. Just copy this delay here, paste it here. So what this code is going to do is that the bulb will turn on for 1 second and then it will turn off for 1 second. That's all. So let's build this code. Okay, the code is built. Let me turn on the PIC16 programming tool. So let's go to the file, import hex file. This is the file we just made. Click on write. The new code is being written. We just wait for the code to write down. Okay, it's written. Okay, let's get to the hardware. See that the triggering is taking place. See, our bulb turns off. Let me show you better. See that the bulb turns on for 1 second and then it turns off. Now see the module here. It also has an LED which shows the triggering is taking place. So you can change the delay times as well in the coding. You can play with the code. I will give you the code as well in the description of this video. So guys, if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. This is very easy to use but a very useful thing in your, especially in home automation, etc. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section below. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. Thank you very much for your time and have a nice day.